everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Staff. As the weather is changing and it's getting cooler out, I thought we would make some comfort food. Today we are going to do a bacon potato corn chowder. For this recipe you will need 5 medium-sized potatoes, 1 onion, 1 can of cream corn, a can of evaporated milk, about 6 to 8 strips of bacon, and some salt and pepper. So the first thing you want to do is take your bacon, give it a fine chop. You're going to brown it on the stove until it's slightly crispy. You're going to take that out of the pan, dump your diced onion in, saute that until it is translucent. While that's going on, you're going to take your 5 potatoes, peel them, chop them into fairly small bites, put them on to boil. Once that water is boiling, let them boil for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are tender. Once your potatoes are boiled, you are going to dump out all the potato water except for 1 cup. That cup of potato water is going back in with your cooked potatoes, your 8 strips of chopped bacon, your diced onion. Now, the recipe doesn't call for it, but I am adding 3 ears of fresh corn that I cut right off the cob just because I need it out of my refrigerator. You're going to pour in your can evaporated milk, your can of cream corn. You're going to add some pepper to taste. Can't do it with the glove on. So bacon, little salt. Give this a real good stir. We're going to put this on the stove. We're going to simmer it on low, probably for at least a good half hour to an hour. I'll see you back in a little bit and show you what it looks like once it's all melded together. It's been simmering for about an hour. Hey, I won't lie, I tasted it. It was a little lacking. I added 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese just to give it that thick, creamy flavor. And look at just how delicious and lovely that turned out. So,
get a close-up
there you go, get a close-up. Yummy, yummy. So, eat hearty and I'll see you soon. Thanks for joining me.